Hi guys, I'm Tom from Design 911 and we chose the one sunny day a year we get here in the UK to bring you out these lovely Macans to showcase you a special upgrade. So for years there had been a gap in the mid-sized SUV market. The change in demand basically made Porsche realise that perhaps the Cayenne's not for everybody due to its size. So competing with the likes of BMW X3, Audi Q5 and Mercedes GLC, Porsche basically decided to bring out its own range, which is the Porsche Macan. So the Macans were introduced first in 2014 and have been a huge success for the brand. Leading on from this, you then moved on to the Gen 2, which came in 2018, also known as the 95B.2. And there were a few subtle changes like the GPF filter, new touch display on the interior. I think you've got new wheels, new color options, but you could easily distinguish one from the other. The three-piece LED light that you can see here, which is fitted on the rear tailgate, was really admired by the owners of the first generation. So here at Design 911, we obviously offer this conversion for your Gen 1 Macan. So we can either ship the parts out to you, we can do it in-house, or obviously send them to your preferred body shop. So this is obviously a very popular upgrade for Gen 1 Macan owners, just because of how cost effective it essentially is. So for parts, you're looking at around about £2,000 to £3,000. So it really depends maybe what options you want to go for. You obviously got the red here or the clear option there. And then labour, maybe depending on the garage, you're looking at about £1,000. So all in all, £2,000 to £4,000 in total. So like I said, it's a really cost effective upgrade. So most cars are obviously a plug and play option. Some may require a small pin modification on the harness. But again, if you're buying the parts from us, we're more than happy to, share the know-how. Very rarely the car might have to be coded, but yet again, it's not something that can't be done. So again, if you're local and you're having any troubles whatsoever, just honestly bring your car down. We're more than happy to help. So if you'd like to have this ordered from our shop, obviously you can visit our website at design911.com. Select your car model at the top and go to exterior styling/spoilers on the left-hand side menu. Then go to facelift kits, where you will see all the parts available for this modification. So again, you can reach out to us by giving us a call, dropping us an email, or just speak to us on our live chat. We're more than happy to help. Thanks for watching.